Hello world, this is BT, your Bitcoin trading informant. Today I'm your IOTA trading informant and this is the update. I have a video out there. This is the forecast for January 2022. What's going on with IOTA? And now I have some more information for you. So this is the update for IOTA, the price prediction for January 2022. So let's go, guys. System activated. So before we start, guys, I have this one here. This is new. This is my live stream. I have this online 24 hours, 7 days a week. And you can see here on the right side, IOTA. This is the 15-minute chart. And you can see everything you need for trading. You have here a lot of signals, buy and sell signals. These are my own buy and sell signals. I modified this on TradingView. You have their bullish engulfing. You have there the candlestick patterns. You have their EMA 200 on the upside, you have there the Fibonacci line, you have there everything you need to know what's going on with IOTA. I have this online 24 hours, 7 days a week. And yes, guys, this is really nice. If you are a trader, you can use this stuff here for free. And I hope you enjoy this. Very important. This is not a financial advice, guys. This is only a help for you to make your own decision. On the left side, we have ADA. On the right side, we have IOTA. And you can see there everything you need to know. But now, guys, let's start with our update for IOTA. Let's go. So we are starting with CoinMarketCap. What's going on with IOTA? IOTA is not on the best way on the moment. This is the bad thing. I have to tell you this one, guys. So we have some news here. We have some predictions here, and we will check this all with our indicators and. CoinMarketCap is telling us the price is about here $1.36. We are going down a little bit in 24 hours. 1.34%, and we're going down also in the week 2% in the minus. Place number 45. If you're watching the coins, we have over 16,000 coins, guys. It's amazing. So guys, I have also a nice video out there for IOTA staking. I hope you started staking with IOTA. It's really easy. It's with the Firefly wallet. If you don't know how to staking, please watch my video. It's really easy. It's really short, and you can earn free coins there, and maybe they will become a nice US dollar. Yes, you know it, guys. So you can earn it for free. IOTA staking on Firefly wallet. Watch my video. Or if you would like to read something, here is blog.iota.org. You can read anything you would like to know about this staking stuff here. So now let's go deeper in our analysis. Let's start our analysis. Let's start our update. And this one is the first thing we have to watch. This is Bitcoin versus IOTA. What's going on here? And yes, we have here on the daily time frame this big diamond pattern. And what happened? We went down a little bit. I showed you this on my last video on my IOTA January forecast, that we are going up here really nice, but now we went down a little bit. And if you are watching the indicators, if you're watching the ribbon band, what can we see for the moment? We have some space to the downside. It's still the daily time frame, and you can see on the downside there is the ribbon band. The big question is now, guys, this ribbon band, can this ribbon band hold? Can we use it as a next pump to the upside? Yes or no against Bitcoin? Because if we are going down here against Bitcoin, you know it, it's better to trade Bitcoin. But you know it, guys, Bitcoin is also going down with the dominance. So for the moment, it's better to trade the most altcoins and Bitcoin as IOTA. And that's the bad stuff. We need here a next pump to the upside over the ribbon band. Maybe we can reach this target to the upside. This is the big resistance because this is our diamond pattern. And then the big question is, can we break out of this pattern? Yes or no? But I don't think that this will happen here in January. I think we have here we need here more time, not in January, to break out here to the upside. But I hope we can use this little ribbon band here on the upside to make a next leg to the upside. That's the big thing. So now let's move on. Here is investing.com, and here are the candlestick patterns. What can we see? And these are bullish signs. We saw on the weekly here the 3 outside up. Weekly close was December 26, and we saw a 3 outside up bullish reversal pattern with a high reliability to the upside. That's really nice if you're watching the weekly bigger time frame. We have here a lot of patterns here. Every week here we saw a pattern. So this is one of the best. Then we have here, look at this. We have here the Doji Star, a bullish reversal on the downside. This was this pattern. And this is also a really important pattern. After this, we had here this one, the morning star, and now the 3 outside up. So bullish engulfing is also here. A lot of bullish patterns, guys, if you are watching the weekly time frame. This is really awesome. On the day, It's not so nice. We saw here a nice upgoing price here for IOTA. After this, we saw a bearish engulfing and the advanced block bearish and the doji star bearish. So a lot of bearish signs on the day. We are going down now. The big question is, can we hold this price level? Yes or no? This is the big question. We need a bullish pattern here. That's really important for the moment. On the daily, we have no bullish pattern here. That's not good. So the weekly is good. Yes, this is bullish. The daily is not so good. 5 hours, what can we see here? Also not so good on the 5 hours. 3 outside down, bearish reversal pattern. And this is a really high reliability that we are going down more and more if you're watching this. And here we have a bearish engulfing also. So this is bad. On the 1 hour, it's not so important to watch it. So let me check it really fast. A lot of patterns here. This one is not so important. This one is not so important. Forget it. The 1 hour is not so important. Let's move on. CoinCodex price prediction. What can we see? We saw it on Bitcoin. We saw no pump to 57,000. So it's not working every time, but we need to watch it, guys, in my opinion. The IOTA price prediction is telling us we will see a little pump to the upside maybe in the next 1-2 days. A price up to $1.46 maybe. This is January the 5th. We will go up a little bit here and here and here, $1.49 maybe. After this, we will go down $1.34, and then we're going sideways a little bit till the end of the week. This is telling us the price prediction here if you are watching this one on the upside. So we have fear in the market. We can see here the fear and greed index, and if we are going down, we can see the sentiment, and this is bullish. We have 59% bullish and only 41% bearish. So that means, guys, the most indicators here are telling us we should buy. Only 41% are telling us we should sell. So very important. Keep this in your mind. These are the support points to the downside: 135, 134, and 131. These are the big support levels to the downside, and to the upside we have the resistances. This is $1.40, $1.42, and $1.44. With resistance point 3, $1.44 is one of the biggest resistances to the upside. Keep this in your mind. So if you're watching this week, maybe we will see here a price move about 8%, maybe January the 9th or January the 12th, 17% price move to the upside. We will check this in our analysis. Is it possible? Was CoinCodex predicting us? Yes or no? We will see this here on our analysis. So here we are. This is the daily time frame. This is a really big triangle. You can see it. And this is the old picture from my last video. What happened since this video? So let's zoom in. Let's see. We saw a nice breakout here to the upside over this Fibonacci. But what happened again? We fall down under the Fibonacci again with a confirmed closing candle. That's one of the reasons why I made this update here, because it changed now a little bit. We are going down again, and the big question is now, where is the next point to buy, or is it now time to sell? So guys, it's not so easy, but I can show you some things here. This is a new downtrend, okay, and the big support is here, the 0.236 Fibonacci line on the downside, $1.07. That's for sure. That's the biggest thing to watch. I'm not telling you that we are going down to $1.07, but that's the biggest thing. We bought here a nice bottom. This was this one here, and the bottom, the lowest point was, let me tell it, $1. This was the bottom here. So the biggest thing to watch is that we are making a next low over $1. That's one of the biggest things, that's for sure. Let's check the next thing. Here is telling us the prediction we will go down here, but only to the deepest point here, $1.06, January the 7th. 106. We are not going down, or we will not go down more as $1.06. Let's make a price label here. Here it is. So you can see, if we are zooming in a little bit more, we may hold these prices. You can see we are building higher lows. That's good. We saw here a low about $1.22, here $1.30, and here the next one $1.34. So in my opinion, it's really important that we hold this $1.34 price range here. This is really important. So we will not make lower lows here. That's the important stuff. CoinCodex is predicting us, yes, we will hold it, and the next lowest point is $1.35 maybe. And I think it's possible to see a play out like this one. So we can remove this really bad move to the downside. And let's watch the ribbon band first. What's going on with the ribbon band? Yes, for sure. Ribbon band is here as a nice support. This green ribbon band is a nice support line. EMA 200 is here, this yellow line on the downside. We have a long signal on the upside, so everything is fine if you're looking at this. We can remove this stuff, first of all, because we hope, guys, that 134, 135 will hold as the lowest point here if you're going down a little bit more. That's the big thing. But we need to fight back the Fibonacci line. That's really, really, really important. So let's check this one. $1.24 is the EMA 200. That's the lowest price point here. And you can see it. We spiked down to $1.22 once here, directly to the EMA 200. So this is now also a really big support. You can see it. Ichimoku, what is telling us the Ichimoku? And you can see, first of all, the red line is here. The red line is the Ichimoku support, $1.27. The red line is holding. You can see it's the baseline. If you're watching at this one, the baseline is the 26 lengths of 26 of these candles here. It's the average. So on the upside, we can see the blue line, and this is the big resistance. So in my opinion, it's really, really important to fight back the blue line, the big resistance on the upside. This one, $1.40 must fall here. This is a really big resistance. We are between the red and the blue line if you're watching the Ichimoku. Now let's check the next one. What is going on with the golden cross and the death cross? We saw here a golden cross. We are still in the golden cross zone. That's bullish. We see the red line on the downside. And we see this green line. The green line is here on the last point of the ribbon band, $1.29. So it's really important to stay over this green line. It's important to stay over the ribbon band. And this is a big support, $1.32, $1.29. Really big support points on the downside. Okay, let's move on the 4-hour time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, that's beautiful. We saw a golden cross here. December 27th, we saw this golden cross here on this point. It was really nice. Now the green line is over the red line, one of the big points where I make this update. This is a bullish sign if you're watching the 4-hour time frame. The bad stuff is, guys, we lost here on the 4-hour time frame everything. Look at this. We lost the ribbon band here. We lost the green line here. We lost the Fibonacci line. So we have some hopes to the downside, $1.30, $1.25. These are these support lines to the downside. And this is really important now. We need to fight back these resistances to the upside, and we need to hold the support on the downside. But that's not all, guys. That's not all. We can check more here. We can check more. $1.33 was this lowest point here. Now we can move it to this point, $1.34. In my opinion, this is really important to hold. I told you this one. Here was $1.30. This was the spike to the downside. Here is the green line to the upside, $1.41. For the moment, a big resistance. You see here perfectly all resistances to the upside, all supports to the downside. What is telling us the 1 hour? On the 1 hour, it's bad. It's really, really bad. First of all, we saw a death cross on the 1 hour. It's not so important, but I show you this. We saw a death cross here on this point, and now we are under all resistances. Under all resistances. Look at this, guys. We are under Fibonacci, under ribbon, under the EMA, under the red line of the death cross. We are under everything for them. That's not good. Not really, really good. Let's remove all this stuff. Let me check what's going on here with the patterns. Let's zoom out a little bit more. Let's take a cup of coffee. So, back again. And now, what's going on here? The 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame, we can see here a line from here to the downside. Yes, like this. This is the resistance line. That's a big resistance on the upside. Yes, for sure. And we can see a support line on the downside. A green one, that's the big support. So yes, we are in a big triangle, in a big sideways going triangle. And the big question is now if we are drawing this line to the upside, the technical target, if we can break out the triangle like this one here, is a price about, let me show you, $3.20, something about this. This is the price if we are breaking out to the upside. If we are breaking down this triangle, we have some big problems. We can't reach this target, 0.6, minus 0.6, greetings to Higgy. No, it's not possible, but it's a really bad target if we will break down this triangle to the downside. So I hope for a nice breakout to the upside. I hope this support line on the downside will hold. This is the 4-hour time frame. And let me check this one. We are here, and now it would be really interesting, guys. Watch it. a downtrend. We have here a downtrend, a big downtrend on the 4-hour time frame. You can see the middle line is a support. We saw spikes to the middle line. This is really nice. And we also can make a parallel channel to the upside. So what can we see? First of all, middle line, yes, it's a resistance. And now you can see it's now a really, really nice, interesting time to see maybe a breakout to the upside or to the downside. Remember, we are in the 4-hour time frame. Maybe we are going like this in this triangle. Then we may break out or not, and we break down to the downside or here to the upside. That's one of the biggest things we have to watch. And if we are watching this now with our CoinCodex price prediction, we may draw the future here together. So let me show you. IOTA staking, really important, yes, but that's not the right thing. Let me show you. We are searching here the highest point. Maybe January the 9th or here, January the 12th, we will reach $1.59. $1.59, 17% plus. Why? Let me show you. Is this correct with our thing, what we are drawing here? This is here a price label. Let me check. January the 12th, $1.60 maybe. Okay, this is the prediction for CoinCodex. So let's remove my stuff here and let's draw it. Let's draw the future. Maybe we will go up from here to this point, $1.60. We will reach this triangle, this end line of the triangle. And then if we are watching once again, where is my prediction? Here it is. What will happen till the end of the year, till January the 31st? This is the price prediction, a minus about 14%, 15%. $1.15 is the target. So let's draw last day in this month and let's draw $1.15. Guys, please don't give me a dump to the downside because I show you this. This is only a possible way. This is only a prediction. I can't see the future, but I can see this is not so bad. This is working not so bad what they are predicting us, CoinCodex, because maybe we are going here up to this and then down to this point, and then we will see what's going on. We are there still in this triangle, and it's a really possible move for IOTA. Why not to go up to 160 and then back to 115 in this triangle? So the prediction from CoinCodex could happen now. If we are watching the ribbon band, you can see it here. If you're watching the EMA 200, you can see it here. This is the 4-hour time frame. And yes, I see this could be a really, really nice picture for January. Not nice because we're going down, but nice because it may happen so like this. Guys, don't forget IOTA staking, watch my video. And really, really important, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This was the January update for IOTA. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you can use some information for your own tradings here. Guys, thanks for your support. Bye-bye. Yours BT, your Bitcoin trading informant.
System activated.